Yo, shout out to Yo Gotti, one of my favorite rappers.
You know what I mean? I have that on the kitchen with the parents king. Mr. 1,008 grams, if you know what I mean. Wait a minute. Hold up.
Hold up.
Stop, man. Hold up. You gotta pull this one back, man. Wax wizard.
Tell him, boy. That's how we do it right here. We chilling in the room with the music. I ain't even blasted because the camera wouldn't even make that shit sound good.
Now
Y'all.
pay attention.
It's rocking over there.
Sitting in the kitchen, everybody's on the microwave. I'm sitting in the kitchen, pushing buttons on the microwave. Yeah, I'm pushing buttons on the microwave. Sitting in the kitchen, pushing buttons on the microwave. Yeah, I'm pushing.
From the hood, my nigga started out with the green. Couple £100 for me and the club on the pro. I see them running out of town to give this shit for the money. And when they come to the teenage numbers, you know, 16 fast, but another stay for the ball. You know what you want, and what you want. Fuck back and if you hit the corner and it's still there. No, I need for the bitch, get in the back of a Hummer. Why I love my blood, like I love my mama. Call me yo Obama, cause I told that lumber. 100 rounds in the chopper, call me yo Osama. Sitting in the kitchen, pushing buttons on the microwave. Yeah, I'm pushing buttons on the microwave. Sitting in the kitchen, pushing buttons on the microwave. Yeah, I'm pushing buttons on the microwave. First you get your Pyrex, and then you grab your baking soda and a little water. Then wait until you made it over. Less than a minute, grab a spoon and bit. They say it's pop guy to a spinning for fame, but if he asked me how to fuck my crack to me, because he said his mama TV, but it crack to me. King of the hood, they say man, be a little bit of soda, some of all in some gasoline. Get it. I was sitting in the kitchen, pushing buttons on the microwave. Fizz hit the spot, I flush the work and throw the chafe away. Only thing I'm looking for now is my hiding space. Fuck all of the weed, just as long as they don't find the gate. Police kick the door and get the ass to make some questions, but I flush the work, so a nigga ain't stressing. Hey, that's when the ass with the couches and the furniture. What the hell you doing? I reply, I'm looking at the kitchen, pushing buttons on the microwave. Yeah, I'm pushing buttons on the microwave. Sitting in the kitchen, pushing buttons on the microwave. Yeah, I'm pushing buttons on the microwave. Hey, shout out to my Chicago niggas. Shout out to my
Gotti.
Shout out to my
I fuck with all the cocaine music except for number 6. Shout out to Yo Gotti. I got to keep it real, bro. That shit whack. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and a half, 5. Live from the kitchen, the pirate king, that white and yellow. I love all that shit, bro. I love it. Keep doing that shit, man.
You know what I mean? I fuck with a lot of real